Social services gave me a whole list of solicitors. There's a whole list. I just chose one particular one.
With regards to time and what had to be done, it really was the only way to do it was to choose somebody off the list, because you're not given enough time to look around. You're also not given any information about a solicitor that deals with children, child law, which I gather is a lot different to normal court cases, law, that kind of thing, general law. And that's very lacking. You know, there's no help at all in that area, and I don't really know how you would find out who would be a specialist or somebody to go to that would, you know, be used to dealing with that.
I got legal aid. They pay for it for you because you have to show them your benefits, what money you get. And see if you can see, because I didn't get a lot of money, you see. I had different solicitors, one after another already. So I was pushed pillar to post.
How did you
I wasn't 100% sure about them.
When you've got a learning disability, it's like the advocate role. You need to build up a relationship with your solicitor as well. And if you're not given the chance, it's not truly representative of what your hope is going to do for you.
I was a bit nervous, just had to go through the paperwork. Basically go through the paperwork and read up and see where we went from there.
And what did you make of the paperwork?
There's a lot. So I had some help with the reading on it.
And who gave you the help on the reading?
A support worker. My mum did some as well.
One of the only times that I went to court when Emily went, there was a lot of paperwork, and the solicitor, although he may be good at his job, gave Emily the paperwork 5 minutes before we went into court and said, could you please have a look through this and see if there's anything you want to ask me? Well, when you can't read, that's impossible. You need to have that well in advance, and you need to get somebody to read it through, and reading it through once is not enough. You need somebody to read it to you several times and to break it down into small bites so that you can understand or make sense of it. And that could be really, really important.
There was one good solicitor I had in the end. Could actually talk and actually understand and speak back and explain the situation.